Thinking about buying a home in Florida? Before you start scrolling listings or calling agents, there's a bigger question we need to answer first. Is buying a home in Florida actually the right move for you? Because Florida real estate is very different from other states, and what works somewhere else doesn't always work here. My name is Roberto Maximo Mendoza, and I go by Maximo. I'm a licensed Florida real estate broker, associate with Cabal's Realty, and a licensed Florida real estate instructor. In this video, I'm going to help you decide whether buying a home in Florida makes sense for your situation, not based on hype, but based on reality. Let's start why many people are drawn to Florida in the first place. No state income tax, warm weather, beaches, and a lifestyle that feels more relaxed than a lot of other states. For many buyers, especially retirees, remote workers, military families, that's a huge draw. But lifestyle alone shouldn't be the reason you buy a home. You also need to understand the costs, the risks, and how long you plan to stay. One of the biggest misconceptions I see that Florida is cheap. While home prices can be lower in some states, Florida comes with unique costs that catch buyers off guard. Property taxes can change significantly after you buy. Homeowners insurance, especially wind and flood insurance, can be expensive. And if you're buying in an HOA or a newer community, there may be additional fees. If you're on a tight monthly budget, these are things you need to factor in before you commit. This is a big one. If you're planning to stay in Florida for less than 3 to 5 years, buying not be the best move. Between closing costs, insurance, and market fluctuations, renting or waiting could make more sense. On the other hand, if Florida is your long-term plan, buying can offer stability, potential appreciation, and the benefit of a homestead exemption. Buying a home in Florida isn't just about the down payment. You need to be comfortable with your monthly payment, your insurance costs, maintenance, emergency expenses. I always tell buyers, if owning a home will keep you up at night financially, it may be better to wait. Buying should give you peace of mind, not stress. Florida can be a great fit if you plan to stay long term, have stable income, understand the insurance and tax landscape, want a lifestyle and climate benefits. You may want to wait if you're unsure how long you're going to stay, you're stretching your budget too thin, you haven't spoken with a lender yet. You're not ready for the true cost of ownership. So is buying a home in Florida right for you? For many people, the answer is yes, but only when timing, finances, and expectations are aligned. In the next video, I'll walk you through the first steps to buying a home in Florida, including the pre-approval and how to prepare before even touring a property. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episode. And if you have questions or want a specific topic, drop in the comments. I am happy to help.